So we are trying to catch a fresh roe so we can show you how we clean one to make our cooking segment here on Wildfired. It's generation after generation being raised around this water that's passed on to the father and then passed on to you or uncle or somebody, and they teach the rest how to do it and what it's all about. You know, my son knows how to do all these things, and hopefully his son will too. That's why I love what you're doing with this Wildfire TV. There's so much in the outdoors that the kids forget today or don't ever get to experience.
All right, here we got the hickory roe shad, and I'm gonna remove the roe sack out of this one. I use a little bit different tool than what Big T used. I try to use my hawk bill here because it kind of helps me keep from busting the roe. I pretty much stick it in there the same. Yeah, the texture, but you gotta like fish, and you know it's not for everybody. But I mean, basically we just use whatever breader you prefer. Anything, make your own. And you basically just throw them in there and bread them up. Let that grease get hot. Well, I pretty much let it get hot and then drop a little bit of breader in there when it's bubbling up, frying pretty good, and she'll pretty much drop the eggs in there. This is outdoor cooking, you know what I mean?
No measurement?
No measurements.
You said make your own breader. What's that consist of?
Well, you take flour, salt, pepper, you know, cayenne pepper. Depends on your heat, what kind of heat you like. It's gonna be that way. That'll work. Just a little bit of black pepper, just a little bit. Regular salt. Grab you one of them bad boys and lay right there like that. I don't know about other people. I like a lot of vinegar. I don't know about other people.
That's where the turned roe wrap comes from.
That's the real deal. Come try one.
Good?
Creek bank, man, you come down here and catch them fresh and then fry them up like this.
I'll have that after all.
Found this right here good.
Want it?
Good.
Tracy
Yep,
Blake?
nothing but like, make sure you do subscribe. He's just now scratching the surface. There are going to be so many videos, y'all ain't going to know how to watch them all.
We've already got the next 6 months and recipes planned out, so.
That's right. Y'all hang in there. Yeah, I guess so. I slicked it back and yeah, well, I don't know about you looking cool. Sunglasses are out.
That's what we call a floater.